Oh. Hola, it's me, Harrison ASMR. I know I was kind of iffy on if I was gonna do this again, but I'm doing it again. So the first question you might be asking, rather than why is he doing this, is why am I wearing gloves in this big Russian bar mitzvah, whatever hat? And to be honest with you, I do not know. Sorry, I dropped it. Anyway, since I need more ad revenue, so I can buy a hoverboard for Christmas, I figured why not make another video, but this one with a twist. That being, I drink this Dr. Pepper can. Now, I am cold, because even though I am in the part of my house where I sleep, which is just my bedroom, I have the window open. Now you might be asking, why do you have the window open? Just close it. And that's a good question, but ad revenue. So yeah. Alright, let's get to this program. The beverage. Tapping. Alright, I'm done tapping. Let's drink this bad boy. Huh? Let's drink it. Uh, sorry, fist up. Okay. Alright, let's get to drinking. Refreshing. Ow. It burns. It burns. Excuse me. Excuse me again. So, Dr. Pepper. Soda's like not good for you. So, you know, why not drink it? It tastes very. Oh, sorry. It tastes very cherry, I guess you could say. Um, it's almost like I'm going to the doctor's office, prescribing me with some Dr. Pepper. Yeah, it's delectable. Um, Let me tap it some more. Mm-hmm. I didn't really think much of this would happen again, because this is pretty terrible to watch. Excuse me. But like, I don't know, man. In less than one day, I got like more than four. I got like 7 subscribers. The video got like 20 views, which is insane, because I wasn't really even promoting it. I mean, I was, but like, I didn't. No, actually, no, I did promote it. Never mind. Still, yeah. The fact that 20 people would spend their time to actually watch this is just baffles me, to say the least. Let me take some more sips.